it feels like an airplane. Feel like an airplane? I don't know. Well, why don't we open it? Open Grandma Eunice's present.
Can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Mommy, hold it. You want to cut the string?
Yeah.
I don't think that'll cut strings, especially being used that way.
Let me try and put it here. What about here? Just do it like this. Oh, that didn't work. Let me try the other way around, because usually scissors are quite good. Mommy, do it? I'm sorry, Grandma.
Oscar, are you going to open your present?
Oh,
No.
Mommy can't open it. Okay, Mommy's going to move the string, and so Oscar can open it.
Oscar's going to...
It's open. It's open.
Okay, so Oscar, you have to open it. Can you rip the paper?
Yeah, look, that's the sticky paper, so you've got to lift where the sticky paper is.
Pull.
Yeah, you can pull. Pull! Good job! Pull! Good job! Now what? That's right. And there's another pull.
Oh, what's happening? What's inside there?
Now you gotta just look inside.
No, rip it open. Rip it open. Don't be careful.
Just being careful. This is Richie jeans.
Yeah, there's his fucking jeans kicking in.
What's this?
All right.
What is it?
Oh, what is it?
It's a special.
Wow. What is it? What is it? It's a bag?
What, you know what we're gonna do?
Oh, lucky
We're gonna
boy.
put your planes in so you can carry them around. Look.
That is awesome.
Hot chocolate.
Yeah, Oscar, what do you say to Grandma? Oscar.
Thank you, Grandma Eunice. Oh, you want to put... Yeah, okay. Everything good. Let's put everything good in this bag. Okay.
Oh, boy.
Carry it?
Oh,
Okay.
boy.
You know what's
Hey,
in
Oscar,
that.
can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Good boy.
Good boy.